In today's episode, I am going to show you some annuals that won't die out before the summer gets started. If you want instant color, overflowing containers, full flower beds, and a yard that looks expensive all summer long, annuals are the secret. So today, we're counting down 10 long-lasting annuals that bloom like crazy and make your garden look full, colorful, and high-end. So, let's grow by zone. Coming in at number 10 is Sweet Alyssum. It is grown as an annual in most zones and does best in cooler spring, fall, or mild summer weather. It grows about 4 to 8 inches tall and can spread 8 to 12 inches wide. It blooms in white, pink, purple, and lavender with a sweet honey-like fragrance that makes containers and borders feel soft, full, and finished. Number 9 is Cosmos. It is grown as an annual in zones 2 through 11 during the warm season. It usually grows about 2 to 5 feet tall and 1 to 2 feet wide. The flowers come in pink, white, rose, cranberry, orange, and soft yellow. It gives that airy, romantic cottage garden look and blooms beautifully through summer. Number 8 is Zinnias. They are warm season annuals in zones 2 through 11. Depending on the variety, they can grow 1 to 4 feet tall and about 1 to 2 feet wide. They bloom in pink, coral, red, orange, yellow, white, purple, lime, and multicolor blends. They are bold, bright, and perfect for pollinators, cut flowers, and colorful flower beds. Number 7 is Celosia. It is grown as an annual in most zones and loves heat. It usually grows about 1 to 3 feet tall and 8 to 18 inches wide. The flowers come in hot pink, red, orange, yellow, burgundy, coral, and gold. It looks expensive because the blooms can look like flames, feathers, or velvet coral. Number 6 is Angelonia. It is grown as an annual in most zones, but it can be perennial in zones 9 through 11. It usually grows about 12 to 24 inches tall and 12 to 18 inches wide. It blooms in purple, lavender, pink, white, blue, and rose. It looks like mini snapdragons and adds elegant height without being fussy. Number 5 is Lantana. It is grown as an annual in cooler zones, but it can be perennial in zones 8 through 11. It usually grows about 1 to 3 feet tall and 1 to 4 feet wide, depending on the variety. It blooms in yellow, orange, pink, red, purple, white, and sunset blends. It loves heat and attracts butterflies and hummingbirds. Number 4 is Calibrachoa, also called million bells. Calibrachoa is grown as an annual in most zones and is perfect for containers and hanging baskets. It usually grows about 6 to 12 inches tall and can trail 12 to 24 inches wide. It blooms in pink, purple, yellow, orange, red, blue, white, coral, and bicolor patterns. This is the plant for that overflowing basket look. Number 3 is Petunias or Supertunias. Petunias are grown as annuals in most zones and can bloom from spring through fall with the right care. Most grow about 6 to 18 inches tall and can spread 1 to 4 feet wide, depending on the type. They come in almost every color, including pink, purple, white, red, yellow, blue, black, and striped varieties. Number 2 is Begonias. They are grown as annuals in most zones, but they can be perennial in zones 10 through 11. Depending on the type, they can grow 8 inches to 2 feet tall and about 8 inches to 2 feet wide. They bloom in pink, red, white, orange, yellow, coral, and blush. They are perfect for containers, beds, and part shade. And number 1 is SunPatiens or Impatiens. They are grown as annuals in most zones, but they can be perennial in zones 10 through 11. Most grow about 10 inches to 3 feet tall and 1 to 3 feet wide, depending on the variety. They bloom in pink, coral, red, white, lavender, orange, magenta, and salmon. They make beds and containers look lush, packed, and expensive fast. And here's the secret: expensive-looking gardens are not always about expensive plants. They are about choosing flowers that keep blooming, keep filling in, and keep giving you color all summer long. If this helped, save this list and share it with a garden friend who wants a yard that looks full, colorful, and beautiful fast. And if you want to know what grows best in your zone, make sure to follow along, because here on Grow by Zone, we are growing plant by plant, zone by zone, and helping you grow smarter wherever you live.